What is up, YouTube? We're back with another video. This one's gonna be about my truck again. Um, I haven't posted a video because I got busy with school, but now it's spring break, so we're gonna catch up on a few things that I want to do to the truck and for the channel. I did start another channel, but that's just me reacting to different type of videos on YouTube. You know, I'm not gonna promote that one just yet. I'm just gonna let it build by itself, and then we'll see how it goes. But today we got Cerakote trim coat restoration. As you can see right here. So this is basically for trucks, cars, any vehicles that has like the trim, like on the cars, like on the side, on the door panels, um, on the mirrors, in some cases, front bumper, back bumper. So with this, I have used this before on a different truck, and it does work. Supposedly, well, not supposedly, but it's guaranteed for 200 washes. Um, I don't know how much we've washed the other truck um, before, but we did sell the other truck, so I can't I don't know exactly how many washes we did before we sold it, but it did last. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do like an update video afterwards, maybe like a month, 2 months, 3 months. If I remember, I'll do it. I'll definitely do like a 3 month update. But it does work because it's ceramic. It's a ceramic coating, so once you put it on, like it won't wash off or anything. Um, so we're gonna do that. Oh, you can get this at Walmart or Amazon. I got it on Amazon because it gives you two more wipes for $1 more. So I mean, I think it's like less than 20 bucks. I think it's like 16 bucks. Um, so you can get it at Walmart if you just want the 8. But I wasn't too sure how many I needed. It's not a lot of trim that I have on my truck, but I just wanted to make sure that I had more, so I just paid the extra buck for two more wipes. So it wasn't that bad. So I'm gonna do. I don't know what if I'm gonna do the front bumper or the back bumper first for the video. Y'all see in the video, but it's a pretty bad day. It's been raining, so it's cloudy. It's cloudy and raining. I'm gonna be inside the garage. Um, I'm gonna have the garage door open, or the garage basically, because the smell is strong. So you definitely need some ventilation. I don't want to take it out since it's raining, because I think it says, yeah, it has to be cool to the touch, and then I think it gives you like 24 hours, like, so that it won't get wet, so it can actually like set in. Um, but yeah, that's about it. It comes with 10 wipes. Well, mine comes with 10 wipes. The one in Walmart comes with 8, and it comes with the glove, because you don't want it to get on your hands, because like I said, the smell's pretty strong. Um, so before you apply this, you need to either wash your truck or car, wash it and then let it dry, or you can get some Dawn dish soap, and you can just clean the trimming. That's what the instructions said. Um, so I actually washed my truck. I have the process of how I wash my truck in a couple more videos. I'll link it in the description, or I'll have like a little timestamp on the top. Not a timestamp, like a time card. So I can go check it out if y'all want to see how I wash my truck um, at my house, basically. But we'll do this. I'll show you, and then I'll show you how I do it, and then I'll show you the end results, basically. I'll see you soon. Alright, so like I said, I'm doing this in the garage, so I don't have that much room because everything basically blocks me off and stuff like that. But we do have the mirror, and then the door handles, as well as the front bumper and the back bumper. Should be it. Oh, the basically these or whatnot. And then I'm not sure if I'm gonna do the windshield wipers. I'm not sure how it holds up. I'll do like a little test spot, and then we'll go from there. As well as these right here. I'm not sure. We'll do like a little test spot, and we'll see how it goes. As well as the here on the door, basically. So I think I'm gonna start off on the. I think I'm gonna start off. Since it's rainy, I think I'm gonna start off on the door. I won't show that, but I'll definitely show the front bumper and the back bumper. Um, so let me get started on that, and then we'll come back. All right. So before I actually start, I want to show you how it comes like in the packaging. So basically, it just comes in these little packets. You just rip them out, and then it's individual, so it's not like you waste all 10 in one go. And then it comes with the gloves, as well as the instructions and stuff like that, telling you to take a picture and then post it, to tag and stuff like that. I won't do that, but I will put the link in the description if you want to check these out on Amazon, and then or if you just want to go buy them at Walmart. It comes in packs of 5, and then you just cut them out. Instructions as well. So yeah, I'll just do the doors, and then I'll show you the front bumper and the back bumper. Alright guys, I just want to show, I already finished one door, but I want to show you like a clear difference. It's kind of hard to see because, like I said, it's cloudy and it's raining, so there's not much light inside the garage. I am using a flashlight to show you, but this is the windshield wipers. I did decide to do them because I did like a little test spot, and it did work. So this is how it looks. So as y'all can see, let me lower the light. That's where I actually did it, and then that's where I have it. That's where I stopped. Y'all can clearly see a difference. So like I said, it does work. So the way it looks right now, even though it hasn't dried or anything, that's how it's gonna stay, since it's ceramic. I don't know if y'all worked with ceramic before, but that's actually like legit. It actually stays like that. So I'm gonna finish up the windshields, do the other door, and then do the front bumper and the back bumper. All right, hopefully I can see good because the setup is kind of messed up or whatnot. So this is how it comes, and then you just open it, and it comes like in a little square like this, and you can open it up. What I like to do is go around the edges first, just so that you don't want to touch the paint. And then once I get all the edges done, I just open it up. I'll show you right now. Into like an actual like little towel, and I just do the whole thing. But right now I'm just gonna do the edges, and then I'll just like do like a little time lapse of me doing everything. So that's like a big panel or a big trim, and then we'll go on from there. Alright, hopefully I can see where I actually stopped. So that's where I haven't done it yet, and then this is where I have done it. The lighting's kind of bad, so once I finish, hopefully tomorrow, I can show y'all actually in the sunlight or like outside the garage, so it can be better lighting. But we'll continue the time lapse, and then we'll go on from there. Alright, so hopefully this one's a better representation of what the Cerakote respirator does. I'm gonna do like a little test spot right here. See, I can see right there. It looks way better, and that's how it's gonna stay. Because once it dries, I know it looks wet right now, but once it dries, it's gonna stay like that. So when you're doing this, you wanna do like straight lines, and then do passovers. So you see right there where I didn't finish right here. You just wanna go over it and do overlapping lines basically. As you can see right there, I'm gonna do like a little side by side difference. Alright, so I'm not sure how it's gonna look, but that's how it looks right now. And then I'm gonna do, because I don't have a place to put the camera, but I'll do a little time lapse if I can. Alright guys, so this is actually the next day after I did the restoration. So I have the truck pulled out now, so I'll show you how it looks in the sun and then back inside the garage. Alright guys, I hope y'all were able to tell where I did the trim. I showed off the front bumper and the back bumper. I did have some technical issues. I was checking the footage on the mic, so y'all weren't able to hear me actually talk. But basically, I was just talking about how it won't fade away or anything like that anytime soon. And as I can see, it helped out the trim a lot. It darkened it more. It does give it a little bit of a shine, but not that much. It looks pretty good. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Subscribe, and comment if y'all have any questions. If I didn't specify on certain things. But other than that, hope y'all enjoyed the video, and I'll see y'all soon.